we're looking for ways to have a green, inclusive, resilient recovery from COVID and growth into the future. And in order to do that, we've got to have less polluting, more effective and universal public transport.
If you are a government and you want to reboot your economy and you want to create jobs quickly, there is no better option than to use new green transportation, including cycling and walking.
If we have, emissions continuing in the south, it will impact the north, and vice versa. So we need to work together. We cannot have vehicles being exported to the global south which are not fit for purpose in the west, in the north, in the industrialized countries.
We want electric cars, yes, but that's not the solution to healthy transport. If we're going to wait for the whole fleet of vehicles to be replaced by electric and then gradually self-driving cars, we're going to wait for another few decades.
But we just learned to do things a bit more creatively. Work from home, expand our bike network, carry on with our 15-minute city project. And I think we came out better because of it.
To me, transport and health, both public health and healthcare, need to work together in order to achieve human development outcomes. And this was always important, but it's even more important as we think of a post-pandemic recovery and think of building back better.
So this is as much as a sustainable issue, a transportation issue, but it's also a courageous political issue.
The private sector will be more important than ever in helping the sector rebound and rebound better.
Mobility is a human right. And therefore, currently we live really a very difficult period because for sanitary reasons, we cannot have the mobility that human beings deserve.
I think that digitization that enables us to share data, to reduce transit times and to serve society better, also with more environmental focus because we're measuring more, is where I would put my money, and I'm certainly hopeful that collaboration will enable that.
We need to focus on our people and address their need for transport.
People will more and more rediscover cycling, so it will be a major topic in every urban area in the world in the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years, I'm sure.
Transport is not just about building roads. It's about empowering people, improving cities and communities, and propelling economies.
This is chaos and opportunity at the same time. We need to turn this around, and we can turn it around.
How did it go? How many people turned up? I have some numbers for you. 2,522 participants from 130 countries, from Afghanistan to Zimbabwe. See what we did there? A to Z. So that is how we have done this year, which makes this the biggest transforming transportation conference ever.